Hello, my name's Lissy from Stafford Land Rover, and today's 360 exterior and interior tour is on this Land Rover Defender 110 2-litre P300e X-Dynamic HSE. Now this vehicle is a petrol plug-in hybrid with an automatic transmission. It is ULEZ compliant and is finished in Santorini black. To start off with then, you have your matrix LED headlights, which are brilliant for illuminating the road ahead of you, especially in those dark conditions. Along with 20-inch 5-spoke alloy wheels with a silver finish, really complementing against the Santorini black exterior colour. You also have keyless entry, which allows you to either lock or unlock the vehicle, even if the keys are in the bottom of your bag or perhaps even your pocket. Moving to the rear of the vehicle, you can find your full-size spare alloy wheel, ideal for any occasion you may need it. And as we open up the back, you can see that you have a substantial amount of room. You could easily fit in a medium-sized suitcase or perhaps a pushchair. Also located within the boot, you can find your deployable tow bar controls, and this allows you to tow things such as a trailer or perhaps even a caravan for those weekend getaways. Taking a look at the rear seats, you can find the black ebony leather upholstery. The rear seats do have ISOFIX fittings, ideal for small children's car seats. And moving to the front, you can find your multifunctional steering wheel infotainment system, and as we pan around again, you find that lovely upholstery once more, providing you and your passengers with the utmost comfort. Now this vehicle does feature a sliding panoramic sunroof, which is brilliant for allowing all the natural light possible into the cabin, giving the car a nice light feel. On your multifunctional steering wheel, which is also heated, you have your hands-free options, volume controls, and of course your cruise control, ideal for those longer journeys. Taking a look at the dash, you can see this vehicle has done 19,326 miles, however this is subject to change due to test drives. On your infotainment system, you have everything you may need for any journey. Included with this is your DAB radio, which has all sorts of genres of music suited to everyone. Perhaps if you can't find anything, you also have Android Auto and Apple CarPlay, allowing you to use Apple or Google Maps, or perhaps just listen to your own music. Once again, you have your tow bar controls, allowing you to deploy or stow it away from within the comfort of the cabin, along with 4x4 information. And your terrain response drive modes, both these individual features make the vehicle suited for most off-road terrain and any off-road adventures you may plan or find yourself on, ensuring you always stay safe and comfortable. This is paired with the off-road feature on the 360 view camera. The 3D view can allow you to see almost every angle of the vehicle, making manoeuvring and reversing so much easier. The front seats are both heated and ventilated, ideal for those hot summer days as well as those colder winter ones. And this is paired with a dual zone climate control, so you can individually adjust the temperature suited to either you or your passenger. This has been a presentation on a Land Rover Defender 110 2-litre P300e X-Dynamic HSE. It's now available to purchase from Stafford Land Rover. For more information, please contact our sales team.